Aloha Stampers! Today I'm going to show you a very simple origami fold that I'm sure you'll be surprised at how easy it is. I'm Cheryl Hamilton and I'm glad you joined me today. Here's one of the cards that I've made using this fold, and show you another one. This is a different designer series paper, sending you a paper hug. So stay tuned and you can see how it's done. The first thing you want to do is select a design series paper, and you cut it into a 3" by 3" square. Okay, so I put the side I like best up on top. The back is some yellow roses, and you fold it in half and then open it up, turn it, and fold it in half the other way. Okay, then you open it up, and just to help me so that I can see the inside a little bit better, it's hard to see right where the where it crosses. I'm gonna draw on it because this is gonna be covered. Okay. So the next thing you do is fold all the corners in to the middle. Okay, and the last step is to take the tips and fold them out like that. Isn't that cool? So that's basically what you're trying to do. And then I've got some thick Whisper White cardstock for my card base, 8.5 by 5.5, scored in half at 4 1/4. And I have embossed this in subtle 3D. This is just jade, which is really, it's a one of our in colors that's this year, that's really a pretty green. So I'm going to put that on front. And then you could either do it, you know, just look and see which way you like best. You could do it with the little corners like this, or you can make it square like this, whichever way you prefer. I'm going to do it this way just to be different. My last one was the other. Okay, and then you need to do something for the middle. You could always punch out a daisy or something and pop it up and put it in the middle. But I'm going to use my Magenta Madness because it goes with this paper, and use that same Magenta Madness ink. And I really like this for right now. During COVID, I'm sending lots of these, a paper hug. And this comes from a stamp set called Comfort and Hope. And I just think it's really sweet, and it's got some fun images in there. Okay, that one's pretty inky. I don't want to smear it yet, so I have to be careful while it's drying. I'm not going to touch the ink. And I've cut out circles with layering circles dies. And I think I'm going to pop it up with my dimensionals. Just a second. And then I'm going to put some of those mini dimensionals around in the corners just to kind of hold it in place. Do you guys have these all over your house? I mean, I totally do. It's a sign of a happy crafter, I think. Find them in your hair, on your dog, all over the floor. Okay, so there it is. Isn't that cute? Maybe I'll add a couple of these because those are from In Color Dots. And I don't know which one to add. I'll just do, it's a tough decision. I'll do the green, Just Jade. Oops, that one came off. Does it need another one? Maybe. I'm just going to leave it like that. I like that. And for the inside, actually, I think I'll just leave the inside, but this is kind of huge. This is from Jar of Flowers, and the flowers kind of went with these roses. So I'm going to stamp the back of the envelope. And then I also cut this out of the envelope dies just to go on the inside because it's really fun to use those papers. Let me see, I've got Stamp and Seal. I'm just going to put some up towards the top like that, and then on the bottom of my paper. So I can slide it in. Come here. Center it. And then fold this down. And the score line, so that makes a really pretty envelope. And there you are. So I really hope you guys try out this fold. It's a great way to use up some of your pieces of designer series paper. It's really easy, but looks so fancy. Okay, thanks for tuning in today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.